Here's how to play Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones, standard tuning and no capo. We're going to start this riff on the 2nd fret of the A string with the 1st finger. Play that 3 times. And play 4-5 on the A string. So we're going to play 5 2 more times. On the 2nd time we're going to pull off to 4. Then we're going to pull off 4 to 2. The chords for this song are E, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the D, 1st finger, 1st fret of the G, the other strings are open. The 2nd chord we need to know in this song is an A major chord. There are lots of different ways to play this chord, but I'm going to show you the way I like to play it. So we have 1st finger, 2nd fret of the D, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G, and 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the B. We're playing from the A string down, so we have an open A string and an open high E string as well. The 3rd chord we need to know is a D major chord. We're going to have an open D string, the 1st finger, 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B, and 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the high E string, and we're just going to strum from the D string down. The final chord we need to know for this song is a B7 chord. A little bit trickier than the other chords, but it's not too bad. We've got 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 1st finger, 1st fret of the D string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the G string, open B, and pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and we don't want this low E string in there. The song starts off on an E major chord for 2 bars, followed by an A major chord for 2 bars. Whilst we're singing, I Can't Get No Satisfaction. I'm going to strum 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So down, 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 twice. Down, 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 down. We go to an A chord, same strumming for 2 bars. Down, 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 and we just repeat them. In the section where we're singing And I Try, we're going to go from an E major chord, 1 bar, B7 for 1 bar, back to that E major chord for 1 bar, and then to the A chord for 1 bar. Same strum, it's down, 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 down. Start off on that E, down, 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 B7, down, 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 E, down, 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 A, down, down, down. Then we're into the main chorus section. The chorus is a little bit tricky to strum. It starts off with the E chord, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and just for 1 bar. Then we go to a D, 1, 2, and 3, and after the 3 and on the beat 4, we're going to play down up on an A chord. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and the chorus E, 2 and 3, and D, 2 and 3, and A, and good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. For more guitar tutorials, check out this link here. Got any requests? Let me know in the comments. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.